All right, I did it. I can say I did it. I bought the Harbor Freight weapons light. I know I'm gonna get some hate for this. That's okay. That's totally fine. Hate on me all you want to. You go ahead and spend your $300 on your Surefire or whatever fancy brand you got. Spend money on what you got. That's fine with me. I spend all my money on hunting and fishing, so I'm gonna get a cheap ass light. But if you stick with me through this video, I think you'll end up buying one of these lights too, and I think you're gonna be pretty happy with it. So, I bought this light probably 2 weeks ago. Haven't done anything with it. It's been sitting on this workbench for 2 weeks. Been busy with work, been busy with life, been busy with getting ready to move. That'll be another video coming up soon. I have a place to hunt where I'm moving, so anyways, another video. Anyways, this has been sitting there for 2 weeks. I haven't done anything with it. Haven't had time. Haven't wanted to, really. Tonight, even though it's still in the box, I used it for something positive. I justified buying it. And my wife was even happy that I got this. Yeah, stick with me, folks. Wife happy for a gun purchase or a gun part purchase? Yeah. Follow me, boys. I'll save you an ass chewing. All right. So, this is the Braun Tactical Rail Mount LED light, 1000 lumens. Rail mount system allows you to quickly and securely attach, detach light. Includes adapters to fit most compact and full-size pistols. We got the P320, the 92, 1913, TSW something another. Comes with an Allen key. Runtime up to 1 hour, 30 minutes. Range up to 850 feet. Drop proof up to 5 feet. Sleek, low profile design. Impact resistant glass. So, I mean, I'll get to the story of why this was justified by my wife. But anyways, the cat ran out of the house. Been gone for like 6 hours. I thought it ran away. It didn't. It was actually, anyways, it was gone. Drove around the neighborhood, couldn't find it. Called for it, tried to get treats, did not come. It's really dark. It's like 11:30 right now, and I'm making this video. But I'm in the creating mood, so that's why I'm making it. Anyways, 11:30. I'm like, you know what? I'm just going to go use my new light, see if I can shine for this cat. Sure enough, go in the backyard, walking around through the woods, turn her on, see 2 little eyes. I'm like, okay, I think I found the stupid cat. Yes, it was the cat. I saved the day. My wife was happy. She's not mad about me purchasing this for $50 now. So tell your wife you can save the cat or the dog with this light. And potentially, you know, just look for shit in the yard if you need to. So this light is super bright. I could see my neighbor's house clear as day with this light. It's got some settings. So you hold it, it's on. 2, real quick, 1, 2. You got disco potty. Disco potty. Yeah, disco potty. Anyways, inside joke. This light for $50, I don't think you can beat it. I really don't think you can beat it. And I haven't even taken it out of the freaking box yet, or the packaging. See, it's still in the packaging. I think this is a kick-ass light for $50, and it's at Harbor Freight. So when this thing breaks or takes a shit, go get you a new one for $50. Still cheaper than buying one of the Surefire, whatever those fancy brands are. I mean, I have one O-Light, which is still like a knockoff, and people online troll about it all the time, but this ain't too bad. What batteries do they use? It says compatible with most full-size and compact Picatinny railed firearms. Glock style, Beretta 92, Smith & Wesson 99, Smith & Wesson, TSW, etc. So, what? Okay. 2 CR123A lithium batteries included. So I'm assuming it takes 2 of those batteries for this thing. They're not bad. I'm sure you can buy them on Amazon cheap. Get a charger for them maybe. This is the Braun 1000 lumen Tactical rail mount light. I approve, my wife approves, and our cat that wants to just run away actually approved of this light. So, what does that mean for you? That means you go to your Harbor Freight, pick you up one of these things, tell me in the comments how great it is, and I'll be like, I know, I told you to get one. I'm not getting any commission off this. This is just a video of me making about a freaking Harbor Freight light. So, go buy one. See for yourself. Save a cat. Save your marriage with this light. All right, folks. I'm going to go to bed. It's late. God bless. We'll see you on the next one.